Welcome to Mommy's Part-Time Love. Today I'm going to help my mom in gardening. I will use this shovel and this pot. Remember to like and subscribe, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Is that enough? Not enough.
Just a little, just a little.
There.
Okay.
Ah!
Oh, that's enough.
Okay. Put it
Okay.
there. I never
Put the plant there.
This one?
Yeah.
Remember, ask your adults, your mom or dad to do this because it's sharp.
Yeah, this is sharp.
Yep. Even this. You can ask a teenager like me because I am already 7 years old.
Are you a teenager?
I am.
Oh,
I'm a teenager.
you're just a kid.
I'm a teenager, mommy.
What is a teenager?
Teenager means
Oh, see?
older sister or older brother.
Oh.
Okay, let me help you smooth it up. I see the
Why?
nutrients.
Do you have a small sister or a small brother?
I have a small brother.
Okay. Do you want to?
Yes.
But this is
Go in.
okay. You do like this.
Okay, I hope I don't get poked.
Okay.
I'm scared.
I'm scared. Okay.
Tell me if it needs some pebbles.
Yeah, it's now.
This is heavy.
Don't carry it.
I'm just pulling it. Okay, let me
Okay.
get some
I
pebbles.
think you need a little bit of soil.
I can't.
Wait,
Right
wait.
here? Oh, sorry.
Wait.
Sorry. I dropped my pebble.
Okay,
now? Now?
Regina
Oh,
did it.
wait, let me clean it.
Okay.
You hold the pot because it might fall. I'm such a generous and kindness person.
Helpful.
Yeah, helpful, yeah. Not generous, sorry. Because I'm not nice to my parents.
You're generous to your classmates.
I know, sometimes I'm not gonna get mad.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I'll just move this up. Ah! Earthworm!
Oh, it's not. It's not an earthworm. Okay,
Oh,
let's
it's just
remove
wood?
this
Okay, I'm on
very
it.
light stuff. Okay.
I'm trying to cook
Oh, you
pebbles.
put the
I've only got
put the
3
pebbles
pebbles.
now. Ow. You need more.
What kind of teammate are you? You're not helping me put the pebbles.
Because it's there. It's far from me. Oh, this is your project.
I got a lot.
So you do it yourself.
Okay. Ah, I almost poked myself. Ah,
Okay, oh, I'll help you.
I almost poked myself. That's a rotten.
Oh, give it to me.
Here.
I'll help you.
Here we go. No, I'm doing this first.
Okay.
And then you do the second part because it's so close.
Yeah, okay, so
Ouch.
those at the sides.
Almost got stung.
Mm.
Oh no. This is giant.
Yeah. It's not giant. It's just big.
Ouch.
Careful. Just do like this.
Ouchie.
Okay.
Spooky dookie.
So give me pebbles.
Some more.
I'll do the best.
Here.
Regina's project. So ugly pebbles.
I almost got the
Okay.
One more. That is huge. Ouch.
Oh, see?
I'm okay.
Oh, 2 more.
Ah!
2 more.
2 more that are tiny.
Yeah, they said 2 more. This is only
Ugly, ugly. Ah, we need 1 more. Or 2 more. This is so tiny.
This is so tiny. A little bit bigger. Okay,
Is that enough?
I think so.
No, we need 1 more.
Here. There's a space
We
here.
need a tiny one.
Yeah, we have to cover it,
Here.
right?
Oh, big hand.
Okay.
Okay,
Ta-da!
grab the next pot.
Oh, something fell. Okay,
Okay,
next
next
pot.
pot. Okay, where's the soil? Oh, here it is.
There, you place it
Ah,
here.
you almost
You place
cut
it.
me. I'm grabbing a lot
Ow.
this time. This
Wait,
one.
wait, because I'll put this one
Why?
to cover
Oh.
the hole. But
Hole
not
wants to get
to
out.
go, not cover completely.
I think he
Okay,
wants
because
to eat the soil.
this has tiny holes. Okay.
Okay, now put it.
Yeah.
Careful. Ah! We're such messy hands. What are those? Charcoal?
Which one?
This one.
No,
Is that coal? Regular coal? That looks like charcoal.
really.
Yeah, it's charcoal. Look.
Oh, maybe.
It's charcoal.
Yeah, that's part of the.
We're digging straight down
Soil.
in real life, like Minecraft. Ew, I can't believe I'm touching soil.
Oh, you can just wash your hand. That's part of gardening.
I'm scared
you know.
of soil because what if there's
No.
earthworms?
Oh, earthworms are friendly.
What? How?
They are friendly.
How?
They make the soil porous.
Oh, thank you, Firms. Okay, let me clean it. Squish it, let me clean it.
You
Okay?
should not squeeze it too
No,
hard.
you should make it flat. Ah,
Yeah,
my hands.
just flatten it.
My hands are getting so.
Which plant? Which would you like?
I
This
think
one?
that one. Yeah. No, that one.
This one?
Yeah, because that is a smaller pot. And we need lots of. Why are you cleaning it off?
Okay, is that
The
ready?
cleaner. Nope.
Is the
there's
pot
still
ready
some
now?
more. I need to clean inside more. Look. Ah! I missed some.
Never mind. Okay. Oh, you're such a good helper.
It's so clean. Let me brush this too. Inside of my knees, it's so sweaty. I want to wipe my mouth with my shirt. That's it. Eat.
Okay.
We need more soil.
No, that's enough.
No, here. This side.
You clean
Oh no, not again. Molly, stop touching it. You're making it messy.
before we put some
Stop.
pebbles.
Stop. You're making it messy. I just cleaned that. And then you mess it up.
Sorry. Oh! You messed it. Okay, ready for
Nope.
pebbles?
Okay.
Where are the pebbles?
Here.
Oh, you got some more.
Here's a dry
They are
one.
waiting.
Okay.
They said you're too slow, Regina.
Hey. Why is this
You
one
got some more. Look,
I'm trying. I'm just
you
trying.
grab it.
Here.
You grab some more.
Here.
Not one by one.
Here.
Oh, see, they are waiting.
Here.
Let me get.
Here. No, here.
No, no.
Ah.